It's about to mess that thing up. No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You're not.
Whoa!
You might barely make that now. What's up, guys? We're gonna be doing some interesting stuff today. We got like a little task force for local sheriff's department. They have like 8 wreckers here lined up that we're fixing to go and start bust a takedown meet, actually, or like cars doing like donuts and stuff. They have the whole shoulder of the road blocked off, and they've been notified to not do that, so they're fixing to start having all the wreckers here on rotation just start dragging them out of the ditch. So might get a little dicey here in a little bit. Let's see what we got. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all should have stopped back there.
Copy a welfare concern.
4210, go ahead.
136 Howard Avenue. 136 Howard Avenue. Be checking out that Naomi Taylor, the 16-year-old.
We'll get out and see what we got going on here. That's me. That's me. That's me.
Alright. What I'm gonna have you do is go around him. He's gonna grab the blue.
We'll grab the white one.
You're gonna pull the white one up.
Okay. I can just pull up like right there.
Yeah.
Just drag it that way. Or he's gonna grab this one. We have the road shut down right now. The one that he wants me to get is going to be kind of a pain to get to. Really would like to get it from the other direction. Oh, you're good. You're good. So he grabs his, I'll grab mine. Since it's rear-wheel drive, it'll be easier to load from the back. Since we don't have access to steer them. Once he gets his out of the way. Good.
all new. All we're told.
Grab a soft shackle here. Put this through here.
Hey, who's in that blue truck? That blue truck? Yeah.
It's him.
Hey, get up. Okay, I need you to readjust so he can get out. There he goes, I'm gonna get to it.
Come on, don't do that. Chalk this wheel. I got it positioned. Be an easy grab. I can't see. Yeah. I got it.
I'll let you get it.
Appreciate it. Which one are you getting?
That white truck, but I tried to get in that ditch and they ain't good.
It's a little.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you.
I'm glad you got out of that.
Yeah, I was like, oh, it ain't gonna work. I had to wait for him to move.
I'll have it out in just a second. Ooh, that was almost bad. I was hoping it would come up after that. Not pretty, but it works. My wood block is down here. I don't want to tear up his bumper. out of here. We get out of Angleton Auto's way. Still got to secure it down, but I want to get out of Angleton Auto's way. Since everybody else is blocking the road. One like this. Figure out who I need to get my paperwork from. Still get a ratchet on over here. These people were told hours ago to get out off the road. They chose not to, so now they get towed. Like one big mass bust. Four points on it. That worked. Let's come through here. He's gonna pull by. Merchant's leaving with theirs. Yankum Auto's loading up theirs. Hey, put a 4x4 in front of that tire and it'll turn it. Did you? Borrow a pin from you. There you go. Do I need to have another truck head this way, or you think you got it, or? I don't know. Good question. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's kind of got it. There you go. There it goes. sure everybody else is good here. Horsepowered out.
I don't know why you don't have it.
Yeah. It's about to mess that thing up. No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You're not.
Whoa!
You might barely make that now.
Back up.
You can.
Come back. Come back. Whoa.
They have one, just didn't use it. Yeah.
What?
It broke. Where you want to move it to? Alright. Are you going to be able to pull up with it on the ground like that? Load it from right there. Got it? I got you. Want to bring it over a little bit?
Yeah, just a little. Let me grab a
Block. Want to go to this one?
Yeah.
Ain't really liking that.
Right back. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
God dang.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gonna need to go all the way down to the bottom.
This one? Alright. Got it? I just pulled the truck forward a little bit. Got it. Pull it out. Alright. The guy's got that lean. It's actually a pretty deep little ditch over here.
Yeah.
There you go.
way.
Rest of your truck behind him.
Behind what?
Everybody roll out at once.
Info. Go ahead and get staged up here. Be ready to roll out. Rolling out. Hopefully get the rest of these things out of the ditch so we ain't got to come back. So we're making our way out. We got a long line of traffic backed up from having the road shut down. So we, all 8 wreckers towed at least one vehicle out of here. The people that were parked along the road were told hours and hours ago. They do this like every weekend. They were told hours ago not to park on the side of the road. They needed to leave. They didn't move, so they called rotation on it. They had us all lined up and ready to go. So we are headed to the yard to get this thing dropped off. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, we're back here at Angleton. I got the bridle fixed since one of the hooks fell off out there when I was winching it up. Got all 4 straps off of it. Go ahead and start getting ready to lower this thing off. Need to check and see. I didn't look when it was out there because it didn't really matter too terribly much. But you look and see if this thing is auto or standard. It is auto. It's at park, so won't have to really worry about it rolling any. I'm gonna get my WD-40. These cans are about out. I have at the house, I need to put it in here. I need to find a spot for it. I have a one of the pump up sprayers of soapy water. So I'm gonna put that on the truck here soon. It'll be a lot easier, have a lot more capacity. Get it. Should set this there for now because I might need a little bit more in just a minute. Shake her off a little bit here. For now, I want to keep the angle as low as possible. Keeping the winch kind of snug so that
little bit of space, I'm going to block the wheels. So I really don't like shaking the bed like that. It's pretty hard on the hydraulics. Not that walking it is too terribly much better, but I feel like this is a lot easier on it than shaking it. So I'm gonna free spool. Pull the bed in. To the end here. Re-engage that. Pull my blocks because I'll probably need those again in a minute. Move this out. Could just extend the bed, but I've had those flip up sometimes. So now I'm going to push the bed back out, and there's no harsh movements. I can just go ahead now, do one little easy bump. This tire over here is not quite off yet. Barely on it. I'm gonna put these back here so it'll stop and slide. The bed will slide. And go ahead and get our hooks off of it. The blocks out from behind the tires. Be finishing up my impound paperwork. We're gonna call this one good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all would, please subscribe, like, and share.